keeping up with our motto that learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with a remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students!
Hello students, a warm welcome to all of you. My name is Neha Shetty from Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. Here we are for subject Indoor Games, and the topic for today is table tennis, which would be part 2, theory. Index, gameplay. Starting a game, service and return, let, scoring, alteration of service and ends, doubles game, expedite game.
Now let's see how to start this game. According to ITTF Rule 2, the first service is decided by lot, normally a coin toss. It is also common for one player to hide the ball in one or the other hand, usually hidden under the table, allowing the other player to guess which hand the ball is in. The correct or incorrect guess gives the winner the option to choose to serve, receive, or to choose which side of the table to use, which is a common but non-sanctioned method is for the players to play the ball back and forth 3 times and then play out the point. This is commonly referred to as serve to play, rally to serve, play for serve, or volley for serve. Service and return. In a game play, the player serving the ball commences a play. The server first stands with the ball held on the open palm of the hand, not carrying the paddle, called the free hand, and tosses the ball directly upward without spin, at least 16 cm high. The server strikes the ball with the racket on the ball's descent so that it touches first his court and then touches directly the receiver's court without touching the net assembly. In casual games, many players do not toss the ball upward. However, this is technically illegal and can give the serving player an unfair advantage. A good return of served ball must be struck by the receiver on the first bounce so that it passes directly over or around the net and touches directly on the top of the opponent's court. Let. Let is a rally of which the result is not scored, which is then replayed in the following circumstances. If the served ball in passing over the net touches it or its support, provided that the serve would otherwise have been good or volleyed by the receiver. When the player on the receiving side is not ready and the service is delivered, play is interrupted by the umpire or assistant umpire. If either player is prevented by an accident not under his or her control from serving a good service or a good return. A let is also called as a foul service if the ball hits the server's side of the table, if the ball does not pass further than the edge, and if the ball hits the table edge and hits the net.
Here are few images. Scoring. A point is scored by the player for any of several results of the rally. The opponent fails to make a correct service or return. After making a service or a return, the ball touches anything other than the net assembly before being struck by the opponent. The ball passes over the player's court or beyond their end line without touching their court. After being struck by the opponent obstructs the ball. The opponent strikes the ball twice successfully. Note that the hand that is holding the racket counts as a part of the racket and that making a good return of one's hand or fingers is allowed. It is not a fault if the ball accidentally hit one hand or the fingers and then subsequently hits the racket. The opponent strikes the ball with the side of the racket blade whose surface is not covered with the rubber. The opponent moves the playing surface or touches the net assembly. The opponent's free hand touches the playing surface. As a receiver under the expedite system, completing 30 returns in a rally. The opponent that has been warned by the umpire commits a second offense in the same individual match or a team match. If the third offense happens, 2 points will be given to the player. If the individual match or the team match has not ended, any unused penalty points can be transferred to the next game of that match. A game shall be won by the player first scoring 11 points, unless both players score 10 points. When the game shall be won by the first player subsequently gaining a lead of 2 points, a match shall consist of the best of any odd number of games. In competition play, matches are typically best of 5 or 7 games.
This is a score sheet.
Alteration of services and ends. Service alternates between opponents every 2 points until the end of the game unless both players score 10 points or the expedite system is operated. When the sequences of serving and receiving stay the same, but each player serves for only 1 point in turn. The player serving first in a game receives first in the next game of the match. After each game, players switch sides of the table. In the last possible game of match, for example, the 7th game in a best of 7 matches, player change ends when the first player scored 5 points, regardless of whose turn it is to serve. If the sequence of serving and receiving is out of turn or the ends are not changed, points scored in the wrong situation are still calculated and the game shall be resumed with the order at the score that has been reached. Doubles game. In addition to games between individual players, pairs may also play table tennis. Singles and doubles are both played in international competition, including the Olympic Games since 1988 and Commonwealth Games since 2002. In 2005, the ITTF announced that double table tennis only was featured as a part of team events in 2008 Olympics. In doubles, all the rules of single play are applied, except for the following. Service. A line painted along the long axis of the table to create double court bisects the table. This line's only purpose is to facilitate the double service rule, which is that service must originate from the right hand box in such a way that the first bounce of the serve bounces once in said right hand box and then must bounce at least once in the opponent's side's right hand box, or the receiving pair scores a point. Order of play, serving and receiving. Players must hit the ball in turn. For example, if A is paired with B and X is paired with Y, A is the server and X is the receiver. The order of play shall be A, X, B and then Y. The rally proceeds this way until one side fails to make a legal return and other side scores. At each change of service, the previous receiver shall become the server and the partner of the previous server shall become the receiver. For example, if the previous order was A, X, B, Y, the order becomes X, B, Y and A after the change of service. In the second order or latter of the games, the game begins in reverse order of play. For example, if the order of play is A, X, B and Y at the beginning of first game, the order begins with X, A, Y, B or Y, B, X, A in the second game, depending on either X or Y being chosen as the first server of the game. That means the first receiver of the game is the player who served to the first server of the game in the preceding game. In each game of doubles match, the pair having the right to serve first shall choose which of them will do so. The receiving pair, however, can only choose the first game of the match. When a pair reaches 5 points in the final game, The pair must switch ends of the table and change the receiver to reverse the order of play. For example, when the last order of play before a pair of 5 points in final game is A, X, B and Y, the order after changes shall be A, Y, B and X. If A still has the second serve, otherwise X is the next server and the order becomes X, A, Y and B. Expedite system. If a game is unfinished after 10 minutes play and fewer than 18 points have been scored, the expedite system is initiated. The umpire interrupts the game and the game resumes with the players serving for 1 point in turn. If the expedite system is introduced while the ball is not in play, the previous receiver shall serve first. Under the expedite system, the server must win the point before the opponent makes 13 consecutive returns, or the point goes to the opponent. The system can also be initiated at any time at the request of both players or pairs. Once introduced, the expedite system remains in force until the end of the match. A rule to shorten the time of the match, it is mainly seen in defensive players' game.